In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an authentication key for a Jira AP token. We'll walk through the process directly inside Jira and your Atlassian account settings, so you can create an API token safely and use it for integrations, automations, or authenticated connections. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to pay close attention when you reach the final step, because the token code should be copied and stored securely. To begin, open Jira and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile icon. This opens the menu where you can access your personal account options. From that menu, click Account Settings. This will take you out of the Jira project view and into your broader Atlassian account area where security-related options are managed. Once you're in your account settings, click Security. This section contains the controls related to sign-in, verification, and access management, including API token creation. Now scroll down until you find the API tokens section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to move a bit further down the page before it becomes visible. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct section before continuing. When you see it, click Create and Manage APE Tokens. This opens the token management page where you can create new tokens and review any existing ones associated with your account. On the AP Tokens page, click Create AP Token. This will open the form used to generate a new token. Next, type a name for the token. Choose something clear and descriptive so you'll recognize what it's for later. For example, you might name it based on the app, workflow, or connection where it will be used. A specific name makes future management much easier. After that, select the expiration date. This step is important for security. Setting an expiration helps limit long-term access and is a good practice whenever you create credentials like this. Choose a date that fits your use case while still keeping access controlled. Once the name and expiration date are set, click Create. After the token is generated, copy the code immediately. This is the authentication key you'll use, and in most cases, you won't be able to view the full token again later. Store it in a secure place, such as an approved password manager or secure credential vault, and avoid sharing it in plain text. And that's it. You've successfully generated an authentication key for a Jira API token.